A day without laughter is a day wasted. If you could choose one characteristic that would get you through life, choose sense of humor. Everywhere is walking distance, if you have the time. A sense of humor is a needed armor. Joy in one's heart and some laughter on one's lips is a sign that the person deep down has pretty good grasp of life. A person without a sense of humor is like a wagon without springs. It's jolted by every pebble on road. You may not be able to change a situation, but with humor, you can change your attitude about it. Imagination was given to man to compensate him for what he is not, a sense of humor to console him for what he is. I think the scariest person in the world is the person with no sense of humor. I have seen what a laugh can do. It can transform almost unbearable tears into something bearable, even hopeful. It is the ability to take a joke, not make one, that proves you have a sense of humor. Humor is mankind's greatest blessing. From there to here, and here to there, funny things are everywhere. I realize that humor is not for everyone. It's only for people who want to have fun, enjoy life, and feel alive. If I had no sense of humor, I would long ago have committed suicide. Everything human is pathetic. The secret source of humor is not joy but sorrow. There is no humor in heaven. It's a funny old world. You are not angry with people when you laugh at them. Humor teaches tolerance. You can't study comedy. It's within you. It's a personality. My humor is an attitude. Our humor turns our anger into a fine art. Honest good humor is the oil and wine of a merry meeting, and there is no jovial companionship equal to that where the jokes are rather small and laughter abundant.